Ah, rubber ducky saves the day. There you go. Problem solved. Okay, goodbye.
Whew, Ruff stopped the leak. It didn't work.
The water's headed for the comic books. To make the water flow in a different direction, we have to put something in its way.
Oh, how about this bookend?
And the stapler. Let's try it. And hurry! The comic books are depending on us.
It's working! We saved them!
Uh-oh. Another leak. Can you help us?
Can solve the problem without using the dotted lines.
Try matching a tool to the dotted lines. So creative!
Teamwork!
Whoa! Let's do this! See if you can solve the problem without using the dotted lines.
Great design! Creative problem solving!
How could we solve this? See if you can solve the problem without using the dotted lines.
Can you find the tool that matches the dotted lines?